making a cable power 3D printed tape block. Take the lid off the plastic block, find the notches in the base. This is where the wires will come through the case. Take the buck converter cable, cut off the alligator clips, strip the ends of the wire. This is easiest with a dedicated tool, but can be done manually. Prepare the base with a piece of conductive tape below the notches. Tie a knot in the wire. Place the wire through the notch in the end of the block. Place the stripped section of wire through the notches. The black wire should be in the notch closest to the entry wire. Place the lid on the box. Insert the screws in the box. Fold the end of the wire so that it is touching the conductive tape on the prepared block. Then wrap conductive tape around the wire and block. Wrap another length of tape around the second wire. Connect the USB cable to a power bank. Put a light tape block next to the power block to complete the circuit and see the light.